Hello and welcome to Leamington GM. My name is Connor, Sales Associate. Today we're talking about the 2022 Chevy Silverado 1500. The 2022 Chevy Silverado comes standard with a 2.7-liter high-output engine, offers a very impressive combination of 310 horsepower and 430 pounds-feet of maximum torque. You can choose from 3 other engine options, including a 5.3-liter Ecotec V8, a 6.2-liter V8, and a Duramax 3.9-liter turbo diesel. The 2022 Chevy Silverado has been enhanced with elements that reinforce the truck's wide, stable, confidence-inspiring stance. Its redesigned exterior features work tirelessly and provide elevated looks effortlessly. The Chevy Silverado features an animated LED headlight with tracer animations in black bezels, 33-inch Goodyear Wrangler Territory tires, and an all-new high-approach front bumper that enables an improved 31-degree approach angle. The Silverado also comes in 4 standard colors: black, red, silver ice metallic, summit white, as well as premium colors: North Sky Blue Metallic, Oxford Brown Metallic, Cherry Red Tin Coat, Iridescent Pearl Tri-Coat. Inside the 2022 Chevy Silverado, you can find an available heads-up display, available segment first rear seat back storage compartments, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 8-inch diagonal HD color touchscreen, and a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. The seats of the Silverado come with 10-way power lumbar support, memory support, and front bucket seats. You can upgrade to heated seats, a steering wheel, and a power sliding rear window defogger for warmer winters for added interior comforts. You can also choose to upgrade to Sirius XM, wireless phone projections, and rear wheelhouse liners with the Trail Boss Premium package. Overall, the 2022 Chevy Silverado offers excellent infotainment, safety, security, and capability. If you are interested in the 2022 Chevy Silverado available at Leamington GM, feel free to schedule a test drive or apply for our secure online finance application. Contact us today at 844-661-5077 or at www.leamingtongm.com. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.